Hello everyone, welcome to the video lecture of optimization techniques. Today we are going to learn Karush-Kantakar conditions or KKT conditions, or simply referred as KT conditions, for solving multivariable optimization problems with inequality constraints. Before going to solve examples on this method, we'll go for its working rule first. In the working rule, the step number 1 is we have to ensure that the problem belongs to a multivariable optimization inequality constraint category. That is, minimize f of x subject to constraint gj of x less than or equal to 0. That means if you are having the problem which is in this form, then we can apply this method. In this gj of x, the constraint is of inequality type, and the equations which are there in the objective function and the constraint will be of non-linear nature, because this method is applicable to the non-linear programming problems. Now, in step number 2, we have to write all the necessary conditions as KT conditions. And for writing the KT conditions, we have to first formulate the Lagrange function by using the given objective function and constraints, and after constructing the Lagrange function, take the partial derivative of that L with respect to xi. Here I is varying from 1 to n. After taking the partial derivatives of L with respect to xi, you can get number of equations as the value of I, and that will be the first set of the KT conditions. Here j is varying from 1 to m and I is varying from 1 to n. N is number of variables and m is number of constraints in the given problem. The second set of KT condition is given by lambda j into gj of x is equal to 0. Then third set of the KT conditions can be written as simply the given constraints in the problem. That means gj of x less than or equal to 0. Next set, that is the fourth set, can be written as lambda j is greater than or equal to 0 or lambda j less than or equal to 0. Now how to select this less than or greater than or equal to sign? So for selecting this these signs, inequalities, we have one table, and this one is a very important point to be remembered. Summary of the values of Lagrange multipliers. If the problem is of minimization and if the constraints present in the given problem are of less than or equal to type, then lambda j will be greater than or equal to 0. Again, in the minimization problem, if gj of x is greater than or equal to 0, then we have to select lambda j less than or equal to 0 as the final KT condition. Okay. Then similarly for the maximization type, you can see here and take a screenshot of this. After writing all the equations for the KT conditions, obtain the various possible solutions with the assumptions such as lambda 1 is equal to 0 or lambda 1 is equal to 0 or not equal to 0, or lambda 2 is equal to 0 or not equal to 0, and so on. I will explain this here. In the problem which we have considered, there are two number of the Lagrange multipliers, lambda 1 and lambda 2. So here we can form four number of the cases. First case will be, we can take the first case as lambda 1 is equal to 0, lambda 2 is equal to 0. Second case, lambda 1 is not equal to 0, lambda 2 is equal to 0. Third case as lambda 1 is equal to 0, lambda 2 is not equal to 0. And fourth case can be taken as lambda 1 not equal to 0, lambda 2 also not equal to 0. For two number of the Lagrange multipliers, we can form here four number of the cases. Similarly, if there are let us say three number of the variables, lambda 1, lambda 2 and lambda 3, then for this three number of the variables, how many cases will be there? You can form 8 number of the cases. First case will be lambda 1 0, lambda 2 equal to 0, lambda 3 equal to 0. Second case will be lambda 1 is equal to 0, lambda 2 not equal to 0, lambda 3 not equal to 0, and so on. You can formulate 8 number of the cases. So it depends on the number of the Lagrange multipliers. Step number 4 is examine each set of solutions for its validity in other conditions. And finally, among all the valid solutions, choose the optimal solution that can satisfy the objective function. That means whatever the cases you have formulated by using the Lagrange multipliers and by using the equations in the KT conditions, you have to solve the system, you have to solve the problem, and you will get finally number of solutions, and from those solutions you have to select the optimal solution.